Welcome back to the show. Today, we're diving into a new MIT study that's causing quite a stir. It reveals that 95% of companies piloting AI projects aren't seeing meaningful returns on investment. Despite spending billions, most AI initiatives are falling short. What's going on?
It's wild, isn't it? I mean, we're talking about billions of dollars invested across industries like finance, retail, healthcare, and more. Yet only 5% of businesses are reporting any measurable improvements in productivity, revenue, or cost savings. That's a huge gap.
Absolutely. It really makes you wonder why so many companies are struggling with AI. What's holding them back?
Well, the study points to a few key challenges. First off, integration is a big problem. AI pilots are often isolated from real business workflows, so they just end up stuck in that pilot purgatory phase. They never really get deployed at scale.
That makes sense. It's like testing out a new car but never actually driving it on the road. Without that real-world application, the results are just theoretical.
Exactly. And then there's this issue of overhyped expectations. A lot of business leaders expect AI to be a magic bullet. They want immediate, transformative results, but don't fully grasp the complexity, like data quality, user adoption, or how much process change is actually required.
And that's a tough pill to swallow when you've already invested so much money. What's even more concerning is the skills gap. Many companies don't have the talent they need to manage and operationalize AI, which makes scaling those pilots a nightmare.
Yep, they're stuck with these great ideas, but no team to bring them to life. AI might sound great in theory, but if you don't have the right people to make it work, it's pretty much doomed.
So, what should business leaders do differently? How can they avoid this AI dead end?
The key is to rethink their approach. It's not just about buying the latest tech, it's about having a clear deployment strategy. Leaders need to buy into AI at all levels and ensure they're picking the right problems to solve, ones that have real, tangible business value.
Focus on the practical, not the flashy. That sounds like solid advice. And I think investing in the right people is crucial. It's about having the right mix of domain expertise and AI skills to really push those pilots into full-scale operations.
Definitely. AI needs to move beyond the testing phase. Companies should be building teams that can bridge the gap between technology and business needs. That's where the true ROI comes in.
Right. It's not about the AI for the sake of AI, but using it in a way that adds measurable value. And for business leaders, it's about understanding that AI isn't a one-size-fits-all solution.
Exactly. There's no shortcut to success. If companies don't adjust their expectations and approach, that 95% failure rate could become the norm.
So, the bottom line? Start with clear goals, build the right team, and make sure AI is solving real problems. Otherwise, all that investment could just go to waste.
Couldn't have said it better myself. If companies can learn from these mistakes and shift their mindset, we might see a much more successful AI future.
That's a wrap for today's discussion. Hope you all found it insightful. Catch you next time.